presentation on PVT transport, and here is the content of this presentation that I discuss. First of all, the introduction about the PVT and the economic factor and social issues, Treaty of Waitangi, and the principle of Treaty of Waitangi, strategy to manage the challenge, and at the last the conclusion. So first of all, the introduction about the PVT New Zealand. So the PVT New Zealand is more than 45 years in New Zealand, and the services of the PVT is the bulk of freight solution and also the courier. And there are 18 branches in New Zealand and more than 200 metro pickup and delivery trucks that are run every day on the road of New Zealand. The strategy to manage diverse culture at workplace, it also include in this assignment in the next slides. So the PVT transport is the flexible integrated solution for transport and logistics support. As it is the New Zealand one of the most transport company, and it focus to deliver 19.9% of freight within PVT system, and it use all the new technologies to deliver their services to the customer. And economic factor in operation, easy and hassle-free services to the customer, and they have also their website where they can get good feedback from the customers, and high quality 500 PVT vehicle for customer to deliver all their stuff to them, and affected by interest rate, tax rates, low policies ways of New Zealand, and it is the New Zealand's cheapest transport company. Growth of economy is good, 3.5 in 2019, and in 2016 it's just 2.5, and offer economics and choice delivery, and it also delivers on the weekend, which is easy for people to get their stuff, because in the weekdays they have their work, and on weekend they are free, so they can easily get their stuff on the weekend. And innovation and efficiency continue to cost effective solution. They also come with their new innovation in the future that will help their business to enhance more in the transportation. Social issues, the lack of skilled drivers in the rural customer service, like sometimes their driver run from their work, so when they hire new driver in their company, so it is hard to manage for a new driver in a new area to drop their couriers in front of their house. And the safety well-being of customer, supplier, and employees, it is also an issue in the PVT, because in 2016 a pallet was dropped by the forklift driver, and the PVT is fined by $250 for that pallet, because the customer has some issue with the company, because they didn't get their pallet in a urgent way, and injury at workplace, and sometimes the drivers are injured at their workplace. So this is also a social issue. And the Treaty of Waitangi, influence of Treaty of Waitangi on the government and organization of finance, focus on Maori language. So there are a lot of Maori people who work in the PVT company. So the PVT transport is also celebrate their events and occasions. Sometimes they give surprise to them on their occasions, so they are happy with that. And following principle and Treaty of Waitangi by the organization, every time when they have some new product, they also involve some Maori people in that to get their feedback also about their work, that they are happy with this change of with this change in the transportation. So it will help to get some feedback from the Maori people also, and they have some participation in all the events. So the community work and sponsorship, they have they also do some community work and sponsors some poor people to on their to help them, like in recently in this COVID-19 periods, they give some food to the poor people in New Zealand, and they're respecting their driver and culture. Like they have a driver from their different cultures. Some are Indian, some New Zealand, and some from other part of the world. So they all respect their cultures, and also invite sponsorship application to work from the mutual benefits, working to provide safety on the road, health and sports and youth. They have keep an eye on the health of their employees all the time, and also give some best safety equipments to their drivers. And the strategy to manage the challenge sport to driver and employee from indigenous community, exhibition of culture of safety and sponsorship activity. And in the conclusion, follow norms and regulation of the New Zealand. They always follow the terms and conditions of the New Zealand government, and its globally operations will be successful for its economic conditions. Provide good working environment to their workers. Need to avoid accident in the company and respect to Mori and principle of Treaty of Waitangi. So this is the reference. From here I collect all this information about PVT transport. And if you have any questions, please let me ask.
Any questions? I don't have any. Yeah, but I only have one comment. Like, when you present, trying to take a break from time to time. Like the style that you are currently have is like you point at him and you speak non-stop. That is not present. Present, you're trying to have a tempo, if you see what I mean, like, point at it, just calmly. There's no rush about time, like, if you rush, the audience will feel that, and sometimes it's very hard for us to communicate. So during the presentation, try to keep your tempo, like, just speak, just like I did right now. As long as the audience understand you, that is what needed. You don't need to, rush. Or it's not about like a race against time. No, just maybe next time it would improve your performance. But anyway, well prepared. Thank you for your presentation.
Thank you, sir.